Hello everybody, we're going to cut a key for a 2004 Honda Element. We have the key code already available to us, so I'm going to enter it into my into my cutter. It's a high security key, so I'm going to go under a vehicle list. We're going to choose from Honda, and we can cut it under a cord because it's really all the same. The master key, once you put the master key, we're going to put the code. The code is Mary 862. Oh. Okay, the machine right now is getting the biddings together for me. That's the biddings. And now it's going to tell me where to put the keys, so we have to put it on the left side of the vise here. And this is like a CNC machine, which is called supposedly laser, but it's really not laser. And once it's in there, we let the cover come down, and the machine is going to start calibrating itself, and it's going to cut the key. There's two sides to every key, so once it's done, we're going to have to flip it around. So as you can see, it already made the cuts. Now we have to cut the other side. We're going to use this brush to get rid of all the little shavings. The tip stop, nice and tight. And we're going to keep cutting.
That's it. Thanks for watching.